Hi, my name is Dirk-Jan. I'm one of the gear guides with Moment, and one of the questions that I see very often is what moment lens do I need to take better photos of the jewelry that I'm making or selling? What could be any other small items for that matter. If I try to take a photo with just my phone, and I'll use the Moment tab for this so you can see where to focus, tap out of focus so you can get manual focus. What I did here as well, I've enabled focus peaking, so the green dots tell me what is in focus and what isn't. And if I try to take a picture of this ring, it's still quite far away. One of the lenses that makes most sense to recommend is our macro lens. For jewelry photos I do take off this diffuser hood, but as you can see I need to get really close to get anything in focus, so I can only focus on the details. Another lens that I would like to recommend for taking photos of your jewelry is the wide lens. The big benefit of this lens is that it can focus still really close, and the nice wide field of view makes sure that you get more of your jewelry in focus. So let's try to snap another picture of this ring, and I'll put them side by side as well so you can see the differences. So for your close-up shots, if the macro is too close, take the wide lens.